Stop spending a fortune on ambient lighting. You can 3D print your own set without any 3D modeling experience. Welcome to Bambu Lab Academy. In this lesson, we will show you step-by-step how to customize your own parametric lamp using a generator. Start by opening the MakerWorld website. Click MakerLab in the left sidebar. Scroll down and find the Make My Vase. Click New Project to get started. Let's start by shaping the lamp. Click Draw under Body Shape. Next, delete the two middle points. Drag the points or enter values to adjust the shape of the body. By combining these three design methods, you can create a wide variety of creative surface designs. For example, select Polygon under Cross-Section Shape. Adjust the number of edges to create a sharper look. By adjusting the other parameters, you can create a more elegant look. You can also create clean, structured, or dynamic designs. Once you're happy with the design, select Normal Mode under Vase Mode. Set the wall thickness to 1 mm. Click Export in the upper right corner. Then click Download 3MF. Save your finished design. Next, let's create the lamp base. Search for LED Lamp 001 on MakerWorld. Download it and import it into Bambu Studio. Next, we'll use the Boolean tools to modify the main body so it fits the base. Right-click and add a cylinder. Set its dimensions to 68 mm by 68 mm by 3 mm. Select the lamp base and the cylinder. Click Align Left-Right Center, Align Front-Back Center, and Align Bottom. With the base and cylinder selected, choose Subtraction under Boolean Operations. This subtracts the cylinder from the base. Click Execute. Next, select the base and the structural component and align them. Under Boolean Operations, select Union. Click Execute. The lamp base is now complete. Once everything looks good, slice the model and start printing. Now let's assemble the lamp base. Take the lamp body and insert it through the opening in the base. Then fit it securely into place. Next, tuck the power cable into the groove on the bottom of the base. Align the matching parts of the base and lampshade. Then snap them together. Finally, plug it in and turn on the light. And there you have it! Next, let's add a basic structure for stacking the lamp modules. Right-click and add two cylinders. Set cylinder 1 to 68 mm by 68 mm by 3 mm. Once it's added, rename it Cylinder 1. Set cylinder 2 to 66 mm by 66 mm by 10 mm. Once it's added, rename it Cylinder 2. Select the lamp structure and both cylinders by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking them. Then align them. Right-click, then merge the three models. Select the two cylinders by holding down the Control or Command key while clicking them. Next, use the Move tool to lower them by 3 mm along the Z-axis. Select the assembly. Go to Mesh, Boolean, then click Union. Select Cylinder 2, then delete it. Then, click Execute. Select the assembly again. Go to Mesh, Boolean, click Subtraction. Subtract the cylinder from the base. Then click Execute. The lamp module stacking structure is now complete. Select your printer model, set the layer height, and enable supports. Once everything looks good, slice the model and send it to the printer. Then stack the next module on top. The lamp is fully assembled. Turn it on! Want to keep learning? Visit Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.